contact. The contact feature or page is pretty self-explanatory. It is just a contacts feature that you can set up for people to access your contact details. So once again, you can change the icon if you want. There's a whole bunch of different icons. You can add new icons if you want. You don't need to. You can just rename the page, contact us if you want. And then there's a whole bunch of information that you can put in here. You can put in the name of your business or the name of the business you're building the app for. You can insert a cover image over there. Let's just do that one. There you go. There's your cover image. You can add your phone number, 813-325-6. You can put your address, you can put your zip code, your details, you can put a description. You can find us here. You can put your website. You can put your Facebook page. Easy to get that. Over here, what you'll do is you'll just copy the Facebook URL of your page or of the page for the business that you're building the app for. And you can put your Twitter handle. Once again, very simple. You'll just go into Twitter. And for Twitter, what you will do is you'll just grab your Twitter URL and you will slap it in here. And you're going to go save. And there you go. There's all your info. And there you go. There's all your info with your cover picture, address, where you can find us, or description, phone number, locate, email, website, Facebook, and Twitter. Unfortunately, none of these buttons work on the live preview because it's not published just yet, but those will all be live buttons. Another thing you can once again do there is you can also change the background should you so require. And that's it. Now the background is changed and you can see a little bit of it through. But that's it. That is Contact Us.